akwasi insia commander 6 kanu seniatia
hani enfantro kontompo bosrebuka enka asem ya kan se de simtie ya fa tenie ayensie ahomaso honhom kasampani ho eno so fa ehu hie mu me aseba wo se yakare kan kire wo medidi akwasi assembly cabre na edrusi na enano pay me raho some expose bia epie no ama me raho me di yaw asoman me bisa mo se ehemfa na ye kwe ko Facebook to see let's search for Adom TV was ye streamy asemi de ka honom shemo bi hwebi ye nyina ye nwen saade we ho ehemfa enoman ye rekwe. It's so sad. And when we ask my catch up, say, I told you, I must more ha when it can some do. Yeah, when you but tell you, it's a cause you chantro. Now, some more dance from Sian and some far dancing, Mamma. But it's a war, a way no one more. The Joy News documentary on BECE Bridge no one more. Mama, I shall fall shady. Na yen tia simbi. She video netie. Me ba me abdi hunkomo.
GH Probe found that one invigilator takes phone numbers of candidates in possession of phones. Questions are solved in a so-called strong room, and the answers are transmitted to the candidates through their mobile phones. They copy and pass their phones on to colleagues who have no phones. The AI was used in two ways. Some candidates opted for the use of AI in generating answers to the questions and used the entire responses of AI on WhatsApp, while others sought explanations for questions they had been asked to list and explain. This second group thus demanded further help as answers invigilators had transmitted to them lacked the explanations. Some invigilators even joined the candidates in the AI search.
In the past few years, we decided that henceforth anybody found with a phone in the examination hall would have their entire results cancelled. Because the phone is, for us, as far as examinations are concerned, a gadget that has a storage facility with which you can access information from any quarter. So phones are simply a no-go area as far as our examinations are concerned.
Some candidates brought books into the exams hall from which they copied their answers for the BECE questions.
Certainly, talk about the coordinated form of it. I think that with the involvement of all these personnel who I would say should have been helping us, were rather being against us. Certainly there was something grave that went wrong in the course of the examination, yeah.
Despite all the malpractices that happened in both centers investigated, they successfully evaded being caught by both WAEC external invigilators and officials of National Intelligence Bureau who visited the centers. No arrests were made. Why? On citing external invigilators, the supervisor received a signal and relayed the alert to invigilators for immediate action.
Okay. Eti me baba chro sa trailer emu. E ba mumma me code card no. Yes, mama code card no. Na me fa nkyere ahwefo adie bi e wo hanom. Documentary afi na omoye wie na afi na e ba bepie. E ne ate ho e de ama ho. But mama code card na okay, wo manje online manje online na ye hwa ade. Manje online de no. Quick one na enhwe. Eti we na ehwe ni nyina se kire say some Ghana Education Service officials took 60 Ghana cedis, 10 cedis maku 6 to aid cheating in 2025 BECE. 60 Ghana cedis, 10 cedis 6. Ghana Education Service, some of their officials, education for 60 Ghana cedis. And no man kwada no kwan emode ensohwe ye omukọ akọtwe no onya akwanya timi bo apo ewom ye ma bi mu kwa mo de mobile phone ekoye emene abefo kwa efa so eyi ensema no computer so ye fen AI onkranya access to the AI ebisa AI questions na ebisa kwada no to respond se me betimi ebi e de atwere ebi so nya akwanya e de nsohwe na ya solve no ewurem 60 Ghana cedis. This is shameful. That is why we topic we discussed here. Catch us say BECE breached Ghana's day of shame. 60 Ghana cedis. The BMI say, what kind of future are we building for the Ghanaian youth? 60 Ghana. $60 Ghana cedis so. Tiaman kwada timi akobo apo ewa afi BECE so hwetwe na ekọ enimu. 60 Ghana. Ayede enko. Ayede pa enko. Ene tie ku ye ho animu asese. Dear partner, see it sebio, ye pray mano as say. Shame unto them. Shame unto them. How prepared any prepare and quadano. See if he says so very training and one quadana, ye munya ye. Every year be able to social piano. This is a or how say. This year Chitu was him. Every year be able to and so moment piano. This is cheating bum say. What kind of future are we building? That 60 Ghana city, GEOS officials, everything ma kwadam, abwa po, e was him. Abrabu mo ye here ben kwa and tia tomoso. Make an obituary just a share. Now, Quada best 200,000 is the Ghana is Kaketua. But that's one fun, any papa could ye. Bass a film. Our wo. There be a Mikasia man, baby, or man about bedroom to the stand say. Nisu no beer, a dream with Yesica. You be a dream or my can the piano, a sika. Because sky at the bonnet. But the rate at which I need a disika echino, a bedio maina. Baby or money pimpen the qua, ni padudu akasa any a disika echino, or my a bedi nya. If the Ghana ni ya did it ya Ghana, one year or the end benefit to or no, the selfish interest. Opia nyamre fam or man say or mine. But near me benefit and kwa. Na kede na kaobua na so chire entimi koso na nye fe enye kama. Osima kwako compromise me ho. To the sense say this sister Ghana cedis. Na bi nkware ne e tan kwan say ha otimi di 50 no aka kira kwan say ochina wo ba na de 10 na besoso. GEOS official or give 50 Ghana no aka kira kwan say ochina wo ba be sure say the 10 Ghana no e ba besoso. Say ne pese ye ho a ye nyire ho. Yesi nipa boni sem ne be ye e de eti o man Ghana ye nyire ho. Ewie ye kro ye be sa turn around. Ni asaba be kem o man nko ye things are not working. But me no mienu ene me o man nko ye. ba me no mienu enem o man no enkoye because ni obi abeya no betimi ato no en wo ye en obi a compromise ne ho just to survive. Ya nyire ho sa why ya me ho ammo 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 mamno ni nkomo na de no obi aye no bia wo de onya no sa fanko why na gie some of your officials no ma dwen sese bio obedi o man Ghana abro ebebo o man Ghana form no munyire mo nya ne saara mo fanko na wentu e chiu ne do picture to TV so na oyire hu se die tie yi odi afra dwuma a yeso kwaje sister Ghana. Hello Alaji, good morning.
Fine morning, sir.
Alaji bato free.
Me free Asante driving.
Me pa chetio.
Yo, me da city. Ohun say yeah, can take Ghana cities. Baby mo program see na me friend na your mind hene. Yeah. Say manager wo efijase like I teachers ya umbabobo. Wa muji obi a 6,000. Me di omuji omu sande me sika bra me say meters na. Wa bra kwa me wo akwanya ne bi. O man hene eka kira me say allegation na me na won tena o ma me allegation tia wo bi. Wan le kan ho asem. Na say so hwe ya wo mo kwa by election wa kotia. Nipa timi gina wo kan say galamsa wo mo ye nyina soja fo wo nyina ye yi wo nyina firi ho. Na ni nyina enye homan ne say ye bia. Tinsem bi wo ho no na say eba wadwene be say ba fo. Ye ni aso ye kan ho bi ana oman no so eye sa. Medamose.
Mati, Miss Weda say Ben, good morning.
Yeah, Kwesi.
Ben Patrick you.
Yeah, my favorite free akuna ya kuna to mas na we do we train na sinim si kono. Dear, best friend pin for say more either school na no so much na upon no more and clan upon no more and san no and shina omo and for bian to na kum na just say we and me and queen for more.
Medasi, Ima, good morning. Ima, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Patrick you.
BECE in Asem na mukana na.
Okay, Matthew you. Iba mentio ho me sno da mentio nya sai timi no nkomo entio ho
me teacher ni.
Okay, etio
na BECE ade ewum ni say teacher for na invigilation will BECE obi be gina na so sa be 2 hours or invigilation we are at the end of the 5 days we are put to 185 cities
185 cities
185 cities. Ebe dey na teacher ni enko je 60 cities. Me maka kire me ho say BECE na me invigilate na me kire abofra me mane de apo akodrema enka ene ka djuma na me nye say djuma.
Okay.
Say ma ko me de me boa ma wa tura apo. Ebe. Me nye.
Mati.
But what I for so exactly on payment structure.
Okay.
No mo teacher for ni because 5 days ni na 185 ebe ni pa ba ko di.
Okay. That means every day be at 37 Ghana cities. Okay. Oba, good morning.
Hello.
Oba, good morning.
Good morning.
Me patriot you.
But me did mama ya.
Mama yet you.
Me ka se free Western region Pristia.
Okay.
Anope mo ina me pese me basu.
But also.
Essentially education for no almost mama can teachers no. Enya ohonko a o. Ntimi bra university water frare. O kana se mo si o ma bon wankasa. Tano ye mani na omutue bi. Oh, nti teachers ndi se mo kasa chiro. Esa mfala no omudi kodu akase mo omu hwe.
That's it, but that's
it. Because Mentiase, after obeyi 9, obeyi say it's still na because of AI sedenti. Omu ni mehwe, omu nsuampo. Nti teachers no omu mod na Western region. In police bi o say yen fra omu tue samaye. Ena ye shema because yen mumu we kirenti. Ti anyesa Mudibe ne nkweni.
Mate. But I say, Dan, good morning. Dan, good morning.
Good morning.
Dan Patrick, we am last caller.
Your family. Good morning, but your family Daniel.
Okay.
Good morning. But your family Daniel.
That means so. My catch was off fragment you. Utio dia. A bed is so bit near the one for Adom. Na if I pay which was me did the aquasi is Asem any background.